Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today.
So today I'm going to be using some more supplies from BoBunny, the Beautiful Things collection. You can purchase this online and I will have links down below. But I received it in the SCT sampler that I subscribe to. It's a monthly subscription that's very economical, and you get samples from 2 or 3 different craft companies once a month. And that's, I think, a really great deal for anyone who is either wanting to increase their craft supplies if you're just a beginner or you're just starting, or if you just want to be able to see what's new and what's coming out and be able to sample those items, then this is a great kit for you. Okay, so I'm going to be using this paper, and the front and the back side I will use. This is like I think a very dark blue, and you can see like handwriting on it. It's very pretty design. Okay. So I'm going to get out my paper trimmer and I'm going to cut this to an A2 sized card base. So what I want to do is it's going to be 4 1/4. And that actually, maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller, because what I'm trying to do is I want to cut out these hearts. So I want to make sure that I'm cutting enough of it off because I want to trim out these hearts here. Okay, and then so let's go ahead and do 5 1/4 instead of 5 1/2, and that way we'll just have 1/4 of an inch of a border all the way around our pattern paper. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out these hearts, just like one of them, and I'll save the rest for another project. I'm not the best fussy cutter around, but I do my best. And it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. Let's try a little bit better right here. There we go. That's good. All right, so I have that. And I'm thinking that I want to go ahead and have another heart shape that's a little bit bigger than this. And I also want to make this point a little more pronounced. Let's come in from this side here, and then come in from this side here. There we go. You want these edges to be rounded. I am not very good at that. All right, so we've got that, and let me see. I want to use my heart dies to cut out another heart to go behind it, but I've got to figure out what color. Okay, so this is the paper I'm going to use. It also comes from the Beautiful Things collection. I'm not sure which side I'm going to use, but it won't matter because I'm just going to cut out the heart and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I've cut out my heart, and I can use this one here, which definitely is more colorful, or I could use this one here on this side. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think I kind of like that one there. I think I do. Okay, and then I need to have some other, I think that some floral elements would be nice. I know there are some on the stickers that come here, and also some other little hearts that I could use. I kind of like this here. Just wondering where I could put it. Sort of across like that, I think would be nice. Let me see. There we go. Put that back on my sticker sheet and I can use it later. Okay. I'm just burnishing this down. There we go. I wonder about this butterfly. This butterfly might be kind of cool right here. Not sure. I wonder if just the butterfly without the flower would have been better. I don't know though. I kind of like the flower. Maybe the butterfly up there. I'm going to play around with it for a little while. Okay guys, I think I've decided what to do. I want to use a stencil. This is from Stamperia.com, and it's I don't think I bought it at Stamperia.com, but anyway, that's who makes it, Stamperia. And I'm just going to move my hearts. What I'd like to have is have some of this writing to kind of go around. So I'm going to use some Distress Oxide in the cracked pistachio so that it'll match. This flower here has kind of that cracked pistachio green color. So that's what I'm going to do. So I kind of want to get an idea of where I want. So I think I just want it in this area here, generally speaking. So I'm going to line this up here and just go over this. It'll take a little while to dry. But since it's Distress Oxide is kind of like a hybrid ink, so it's got some pigment ink in it. So you'll see that it's opaque and it will go over. If I used a dye ink, it would just blend in with the background because it soaks into the paper. Pigment ink doesn't do that, which is nice because then, you know, you can get, you can go ahead and get your color on top of a colored paper. So that's kind of nice. There we go. And then just a little bit down here. Now let's put my hearts on and see how that looks. That's good. I like that. That gives me some layer. I like that a lot. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm happy with that. I'm going to go ahead and move on, and I'm going to use some washi tape. This is some washi tape I got on Amazon. It's called Yubba X, something like that. It comes with this little ruler in it. You can see the designs. It's got some leaves that look like fall. This looks like Christmas. Here's some more leaves. This could be like Christmas, these colors, and this is maybe just a pretty spring color. So I'll show you the different ones that you get. I don't know where I'm missing one, it looks like. Oh, here's the one I'm missing. Where is it? Let's see. The leaf one. I'm missing the pretty leaf one. I had that out yesterday. It's around here somewhere. Here it is. Here's the pretty leaf one. So those are the colors. So you can see these are pretty fall-like leaves. It's a beautiful little pattern. And that would match the orange here. That's why I got it out. But I didn't want to use that. I didn't like the way it looked as much as the way. And this has got like a Christmassy look to it. But I'm just going to go ahead and use it anyway because I think it's so pretty. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Christmas card. And then you get these others here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me put my hearts down and see. I think I'm going to have this running this way across about right there. So let's do that. And I'm just building up layers on my card to give it a little more interest. And I can decide what kind of sentiment I want to put on it later. I think that looks so pretty with that blue, doesn't it? It just is perfect. Okay, so there's that. And then, let's see. I think I'm going to go ahead and tack those down because I really like the way that looks. I want to make sure and leave a little bit of that showing on this side, so that's why I'm bringing this heart down a little bit. And you know what? Maybe I want to move it a little bit closer to that one. There we go. Very pretty. I think it's beautiful. Very pretty. I love that. The flower and the butterfly and the black provides contrast to this dark blue. I love that. It's very pretty. Now let me see. If I wanted to, I could even run that tape like this a little bit, just underneath the hearts. But I don't think so. I think it looks good the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the tape. Alrighty, so now I've just been working with my front panel. I can go ahead and put this on a card base. And for some reason, I just have a bunch of top folding A2s in my supplies that I have. I cut these ahead of time and keep them so I can grab them real quick. Okay, so now I have to decide, because I've got this white background. I wonder if maybe I should look for some pattern paper that has this color. That might give it more balance. Okay, so I'm going to take this original paper that I cut the heart out of, and we're going to see I wonder if that would look weird, you guys. What do you think? Let's try it. So I'm going to cut it at 4 1/4. And then I'm going to cut it at 5 1/2. Say love you. See the beauty in everything. Good vibes. Beautiful. I think I like the words love you. Put it right there on the heart. Just like that. There we go. Perfect. Perfect little card now. And I could probably even add some of these. Let's see. Let's see how these would look. This is great, but we need a piece of paper for that to be on. You know what I'm saying? Sticks better, you know? It does kind of blend in right there, though. So maybe I should put it right here. Okay. Yeah, I think I like it better right there. I think straight would be good. really in love with that color though. I thought it'd be good, but I don't really like it, guys. Gives me an idea. This is kind of a teal. This is Jelly Roll Moonlight. I wonder if that'll work. That does work, and I think that looks pretty cool. So let's see, let's put that on there. Add some more Tombow Mono. We'll put this back right there. I'm not gonna push it too hard or try to touch the ink because I want it to dry. All right, I think that looks cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So that is the card for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. That's what a thumbs up is, a like. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.